Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. I'm Simas, a sales engineer here at NordPass. In this video, we'll cover every step of joining an organization in NordPass. Let's get started. To join an organization, you must first receive an invitation via email from NordPass. So find the email in your inbox, open it, and click the button to download NordPass, or if you already have it on your device, launch it to log in. We recommend pinning the NordPass extension in your browser so that it's always within reach and easy to find. Create your business account password to proceed. If your organization supports single sign-on, you can use it to log in without creating a business account. The next step is creating your master password. This password is critical because it is the primary access key to your NordPass vault. Make sure you remember your master password and don't share it with anyone. We recommend setting up biometrics for an easier login process. With biometrics switched on, you won't be required to enter your master password each time you attempt to log in. To complete your onboarding experience and get a feel for how NordPass works in practice, we recommend adding or importing passwords you already use to your vault. Then, try logging into one of these accounts and use autofill to allow NordPass to enter the credentials for you. Finally, it's important to set up and save the recovery code for your account. This code can come in handy if you ever forget your master password or can't use biometrics and need to log into your NordPass account. To do so, go to Settings, select Get Recovery Code, and download it. Make sure you store the recovery code securely and don't share it with anyone. Great, now you're all set. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.